let's start cattle on feed out on Friday. I'm going to take the headline from you, and then I'll let you get into it. Placements is a number we've been watching, and down significantly from where we were a year ago. And then I'll let you kind of get into the data, and we can get into some Q&A about that report.
Sure. Yeah. Placements down 18%, which is kind of a shocking headline. I do want to unpack that a little bit here in just a minute, but let me hit the key points here. So total inventory in feedlots that have at least 1,000 head capacity. So total inventory in those feedlots, 11.6 million head. This was down 2% from March 1, 2024. Placements, as we mentioned, was the big drop, down 18% from February 2024. Marketing, so fed cattle marketed during February of this year was 1.6 million head. This was 9% below February 2024. And if we kind of just jump into the placements real quick, Megan, and then I'm sure we can have a little bit more discussion here. But that 18% number is shocking, but it was not unexpected. Pre-report estimates kind of had us in that double-digit drop. This was analysts were looking at the data coming in and expecting that. This was a bigger drop than the average of those analyst expectations, which was expecting around a 15% decline. But there's quite a few things in play here. One of them was not even a this year thing. One of the big things is what happened last year. And so the February numbers that we're comparing to from 2024, you remember 2024 was a strange winter when it comes to placements. We had winter storms that really shifted cattle movements. And so we're comparing to a bigger number last year, which makes the drop this year maybe look bigger than it would have if we were comparing to a more normal February. The other side of this, Megan, is there was one extra day in February in 2024. So February last year was leap year, so that's one extra business day. Obviously, that doesn't make up 18%, but it's at least one piece of this. You combine the dynamics from 2024 with the fact that we had fewer feeder cattle going into feedlots this year just on a weekly basis, and that's how you get to this 18% drop.